Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? So viewers, these are top trending and very beautiful Pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. These are most amazing and very beautiful ideas. And you guys easily paint your pebbles. These are super amazing, very beautiful and very latest pebble painting ideas. So guys, hope so you enjoyed this video and you guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. I'm glad to see you all guys. Always think positive, always be positive. These are very amazing and super unique collections for you guys. Always take care, always be happy. And these are very amazing, very stunning and very pretty handmade pebble painting ideas. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These are very unique, very amazing. So guys, always take care, always be happy. These are top trending and very beautiful ideas. So keep supporting my channel guys, keep watching my videos. Always take care. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So guys, always take care, keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. Take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.